Hey guys, Kevin with WaterMonster here, and today I want to introduce to you our new foot pedal. And the foot pedal works hand in hand with the ultra spout. When you combine the foot pedal with the ultra spout, it now offers a 100% touch-free hydration experience. So let's take a look and see how easy it is to install and how simple it is to operate. When you take the foot pedal out of the box, it's already completely assembled and ready to connect. There's really only two steps. Wrap the thin wire around the ultra spout dispensing lever and press the pulley brake to adjust the rope height. Let's take a closer look. First, put the foot pedal down so it's directly underneath the ultra spout. Press the pulley brake mechanism and lift it until the hook touches the ultra spout. Then release the brake. Take the wire, wrap it around the dispensing arm and the support bracket in the back. Do this to both sides and then test it. Okay, now it's time to adjust the rope linkage. Press the pulley brake, pull the rope just until the foot pedal gets upright, release, and that's it. You don't want to have too much tension, and you don't want too much slop. Let's try it out. 100% touch-free hydration. Connects directly to our WaterMonster tank, our manifold system, and any common water cooler. Well, that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, the foot pedal's easy to install and easy to adjust. As always, if you have any questions, you can call me, you can email me, and once again, thanks for your support.